Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can customize the thank you page on your store on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, the thank you page is also known as the order status page, and it opens up by default whenever somebody orders something off of your site. Now, this does have a default option, and it's on automatically on your store whenever you make it. And there is a way to customize it. There are two ways technically, so I'll show you both. You can't really edit the default one on Shopify as far as I know. There might be a option if you go and edit the code of your site or your store. However, I'm not very proficient in editing that code, so I won't mess around with it just to not confuse you guys. One method which you can do is you can go into your store settings in the bottom left, go into checkout, and scroll down until you see order status page additional scripts. You can add other scripts to best follow the analytics of your page and track the conversion. However, pixels are the replacement since the status page scripts have been deprecated, as you can see right next to it, and you can do that if you want to customize it like that. However, if you want to customize how it looks, you can go into online store and then into themes, or rather first into pages. Here you're going to need to make a new template for your page. I have already added one, however it seems to be missing, so I'll add a new one. Here I'll just make a page, I'll title it thank you, and I'll add some text. I'll just add thank you for your order and click save, and now we have that. And now if we go into themes, we can start creating other pages in the actual site. Now what you need to do is go into the top, click on home page, then click on pages and click create template. I'll name it thank you, and it's going to be based on default page. And if we click create template, it's going to select our thank you template we have created previously. And now you can customize this. Now you will need to change the code and make the redirect from orders redirect the customers to this page over here. But that is pretty much it. Other than that, there is nothing else to do. Again, I'm not proficient in code, so I don't want to confuse you guys, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.